Nice to see all set to have the sports for the Fiesta, right? We said that we should have a sport day, but we changed the name to Sports Fiesta. So here we are. First of all, when there was a Bal Gram Sabha in the Calangute Panchayat, our student, I think some of you all were there, and you all requested us to have a sports day with all the schools. So we said, we discussed this matter thereafter in the Panchayat with all my Panchayat members, my Deputy Sarpanch and the Panchayat members. And when we thought that having a nice sport activity. And here we are. First of all, I wish to thank all the schools, first of all, who have come over here and they are participating in this event. Not forgetting our PT teachers, they have put a lot of hard work in it. I was not there, but with Swapnesh, I have to thank individual teachers, PT teachers. Otherwise, things would have really not happened and this day would have not come. Everyone participated. I was on the group, but I don't respond. But I was just watching them, how everyone was supposed to take one job or the other of having the sports activity. So again, not taking much of the time, on behalf of Village Panchayat Calangute, along with my Deputy Sarpanch and the Panchayat members, and of course our Scholar Santa Maria manager, okay, would like to thank each and every one of you all for having come over here and join us to have this sport fiesta.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.